Hey riders, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're talking about something that confuses a lot of people. What's the difference between a highway and an expressway? You've seen both, you've ridden on both, but trust me, they're not the same. There are many differences between highway and expressway. So let's break it down in simple words. A highway is basically a main road that connects cities and even countries together. It's built for long distance travel, carrying cars, trucks, bikes, and sometimes even local vehicles. Highways are open access roads, meaning you can join or leave them from many points. For example, the Pan American Highway is the longest highway in the world, stretching from North America all the way to South America over 30,000 kilometers. That's huge, right? It connects people and places across entire continents. So highways are made for connection and transport, not just speed. Now let's talk about the expressway. An expressway is a high-speed, limited-access road made only for fast-moving vehicles. You won't see people walking, tractors moving, or animals crossing here because expressways are built for speed, safety, and smooth travel. For example, the interstate highway system in the United States, especially roads like I-90, which runs over 4,800 kilometers from Boston to Seattle, or the Autobahn in Germany, where in some sections there's no official speed limit. Expressways are all about getting you from point A to point B fast and safe. Now, the easiest way to remember the difference is this. Highways are made for connection, while expressways are made for speed. On a highway, you can expect mixed traffic of cars, bikes, buses, even slow-moving vehicles. But on an expressway, only fast vehicles are allowed, and you can enter or exit only from specific points, not anywhere you want. Also, the speed limit on expressways is usually higher, around 100 to 120 km per hour, while highways are normally around 60 to 80 km per hour. And of course, expressways are built with multiple lanes, dividers, flyovers, and tolls, giving you that super smooth riding experience. So riders, now you know, every expressway is a highway, but not every highway is an expressway. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Be a Pro Rider for more easy and smart bike videos. And if you want to know the difference between mileage and average, then click on this video.